You're gonna have seasons of life where you are taking back-to-back voice lessons, you're taking a break, you have performances lined up, or you just simply need to not sing. But if you find yourself at the beginning of this journey, or you want to reboot it, then my friend, let's start singing. This online mini program is designed for aspiring singers who want to work on their voice but aren't quite ready to book a private lesson. It doesn't take the place of a voice lesson, but it is there to support you and encourage you to sing in a way that feels good to you. This short program is packed with 9 video tutorials, over 20 vocal warm-ups and exercises, and a PDF guide that will show you how to build a practice routine that suits your busy schedule, how to take care of your voice, and how it works. You're going to be singing through your entire vocal range and building a foundation for things like mixing, belting, and yes, riffing. Sing whenever you want. You can do this all in a day or take your sweet time. The only commitment that you are making is to yourself. So my friend, whether you're doing this as the first step in sharing your voice with the world, or you need to do this for your own self-care, whatever you do, just start singing.